Hello guys, how are you? I hope all fine and good. If you're first time in my channel, don't forget to subscribe it, like it and share. If you already subscribed, don't forget to like and share this video to all get benefits. As I promised to you, today we will continue word sessions. Today we will know how to add smart art. So we will go to insert menu and we will click on smart art. Smart art, this is good when you do something about sessions, whatever. Yani I prefer to take this cycle. Of course you can choose any one you like it, but I will take this one as an example. Okay, and from here you can directly see to move or see all and scroll with mouse to check it all what it's look like, or choose one you like it. I will choose this one. Okay, I will make it small as I said. Choose this one, but not here, but I will bring it down, yes, to be clear and to be with good size to explain on it. This one you can write in the everyone on it. You can change it yani from here, like we say one. Don't enter it's mean another, like 1 2. No, just when one, click any place. Okay, 2 3 4 5. Okay, this one, if you do session and need this one to go to the another one, you need to make it whatever I told you. This is the key, and you can do more things with any option about this. You can change the color for this. You can make it like this one, or this one. It's good to be everyone with different color. You see this one here, if you open, you can also change the name. You can change the sort. Number 1, okay, I can make it number 2. Like right click, move down. Be careful, move down not from here, from down from here, from this list. Yani go to number 5. If I make it move up, you see it will not move to replace it number 2. No, it will replace number 4. You see, move up. You see where it's go? Under number 4. Why? Because it's a sort replaced on the list, not about the arts. It's sort about it here. So we'll go to number 1 and move it up, and number 5 move it down. You get to change if you need to change the sort, not go to everyone and change the word inside it. No, you can sort it from here. And also, okay, close this one. You can, after right click, of course, if you have another, send it to back to on, or from format, the same things. Chips, fill, outline, what's it's look like for everyone, the words inside it. You see all words the same together, it's a changing. I can change the effect for everyone also, like make it like this and make it like 3D. Okay, no, this one not this one, it's not good. I prefer one, it's be good, maybe like this. And you can choose more things. Effects, text, alt text also the same. Okay, here arrange, yani arrange position the same as a picture, you remember. Warp, it's text, whatever. A selection behind font, rotate. Okay, but rotate the word. You see, I will make it in number 1, not number 5. Rotate the word. You see number 1 how it's look like. Be careful, not about the art. This is the size also. You got my point. Okay, you can also change, you see, the space or the look for it. You can change it. Let me from here cancel this 3D to make it clear. Okay, from here also you can change the shapes. And from here both change the shape. You can make it like this, the first one. Okay, I can make it like this. This is the head. You can change, make everyone different look also. So you can do more things, you can custom more things. And here make it in number 1, and what it's look like, what it's feel. You see it's a change about number 1 only, change, not all. Got it? This is all about arts. I hope you get benefits and know everything on it, and it's easy and simple. If you have any comment, write it to in comments, and if you want anything, you want to do anything, I can make it the video for you. I hope you get benefits. Don't forget to like this video and share, and of course subscribe. See you in another videos.